In this lesson, I'm going to delve more into the concept of frequency distribution table. A frequency distribution table is a table that shows the frequencies of unique values in a group of data. Now, for example, first of all, let's look at the concept of frequency. What does frequency mean? Frequency simply means the number of times something happens, or the number of times the value in a group of data occurs. Let's look at the number of times 2 occurs in this group of data. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2 is repeated 5 times, or you can say that 2 has a frequency of 5. So that's what the frequency distribution table is all about. It shows you the frequencies of various values in a group of data. Now let's look at how to represent these values in a frequency distribution table. First of all, you are going to write out the unique values that you can find in this group of data. The unique values are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are our scores. Those are our unique scores. So it's very important that you write out these values from the smallest to the highest value. The next thing to do is to write out the tallies representing the number of times these values occur. So 2 will be represented by a tally, 5 will be represented by a tally also, and so on. 2 again by another tally mark. 3 will be represented by a tally also. So I'm going to represent the numbers in threes to make it faster. So I'll take 1, 5, 2. So 1 will be represented by a tally, 5 by another tally, and 2 by another tally. So let's represent 1, 3, 5 with tally marks. So 1, 3, and 5. So what about 2, 3, 4? So 2, 3, 4. Let's represent the next one. 5, 4, 2. 5, 4. 4 here and 2 here, 2. Now it's wrong for you to write it out like this. Now once you notice that the strokes involved are up to 4, the next one that comes should be across it like this to make it 5, because in our tally system marks, our strokes are always in bundles of 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and so on. So the next is 1, 5, 3. So 1, 5. So this is up to 4. I'm going to cross it out to make it 5, then 3. The last one is 5. So I'm going to write out a stroke here to make it 6 for 5. Now these tallies, here for 1, I have 3 strokes, so that's 3. So 1 has a frequency of 3, 2 has a frequency of 5, 3 has a frequency of 4, 4 has a frequency of 2, 5 has a frequency of 6. Is 2. Okay, so you can also choose to add up the values. So the total here is 3, 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. So our total frequency is 20. So this means that the number of values that we have present in the group of data is 20. So if we count, we should have 20 as the number of values in this group of data. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it means we are correct. always ensure that you check also that you have done the right thing by cross-checking the total you have gotten here by the number of values given in the group of data in the question. So now what we are going to do now is to attempt this exercise. We are to present the following data on a frequency distribution table with tally marks, just like I have done it in this example. So do the same using this group of data.